Hello everyone and welcome back to ForB's English lesson video. My name is Richard and today I am joined by the founder of ForB English, Naoyuki. He's been shooting, editing and uploading all ForB's videos since 2011.
Hi there, thank you very much for watching our videos. We recently got a silver play button from YouTube because our YouTube channel hit 100,000 subscribers.
Yes! Before opening the package, we'd like to take the time out to thank you all for watching and subscribing to the channel.
Without your help, we couldn't achieve this.
And we're so grateful for all the likes, views, comments, and interactions with our channel.
Alright, let's take a look.
Where is it from?
It's from the US to Yokohama. There's a message from YouTube CEO Susan.
Thank you, Susan.
Thank you.
Wow.
Oh. And this was packaged by Zach.
Thanks, Zach.
Thanks, Zach. Oh,
nice.
Nice.
Great.
Good looking.
Yeah. Wow, that's awesome. Wow, it's like a mirror.
Shiny.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So what does it say?
It says presented to ForB English for passing 100,000 subscribers.
Yeah! Woo!
Yeah. Finally!
Yeah! So Naoyuki,
Yes.
when do you think we'll get the gold button?
Gold?
Yeah, don't we need like 1 million subscribers?
Yes, we need a million subscribers, but currently we get 20,000 subscribers a year, so that means that would take 45 years at this pace.
45 years?
Yes.
Impossible.
Possible.
How can we get 1 million subscribers?
I don't know. Be positive. Okay. Anyway, we'd like to thank you once again.
And we hope to continue to help you improve your English abilities. Please stay tuned for more future videos. See you.
See you.